Hi all. Today I would like to explain the topic operations on sets and Venn diagrams. What is the universal set? Universal set is the set containing all objects and all other sets or subsets. If you are dealing with some sets, among the all sets, which is the largest one? The largest set is called universal set, and also remaining all sets are subsets of that universal set. Okay, for example, in a number system, natural numbers is subset of whole numbers. If you are talking about these two sets, whole number set is the larger than the natural number set. So in this context, whole numbers is the universal set. Now this whole number set is also subset of integers. So if you are dealing with these three sets only, in this context, Z is the largest set, remaining two sets are subsets of Z, so Z is the universal set. Similarly, Q is the largest one here, so Q acts as a universal set. Q also subset of real numbers. So here real numbers is the largest set is the largest set, and remaining all sets are subsets of real number set. So R is the here universal set. And come to the another one. Usually universal set is identified with capital letter U. So let U is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and one set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, and B is equals to 4, 5. Here U is the largest set, and also the sets A and B are subsets of U. So here U is the universal set. Now what is the Venn diagram? Most of the relationships between the sets represented by diagrams which are known as Venn diagrams. Usually we will use geometric figures, rectangles and circles to draw the Venn diagrams. Now we will see how to draw the Venn diagram. In a number system, we know the relationship, that is natural numbers is subset of whole numbers. Whole number set is a subset of integers. Integer set is subset of rational numbers. Rational number set is subset of real number set. Now we will see how to draw Venn diagram for this relation. Okay, now take a small circle. Okay, this is indicated with natural numbers. We know that natural number set is a subset of whole number set. So whole number set is larger than natural number set, and also natural number set includes whole number set. So take another circle which is larger than natural number set. This indicated with whole number set W. Similarly, Z is larger than these two sets. So take another big circle, then natural number set and whole number set indicated with Z. And also we know that rational number set is larger than these three sets, and also these three sets are included in rational number set. So we take another large circle Q. This indicated with Q, means rational number set. Finally, here real number set acts as a universal set. So take one rectangle and indicated with real number set. This is the way to draw the Venn diagram. And so now we have another set, that is irrational numbers. So we know that rational numbers and irrational numbers are disjoint sets. There are no common elements. So take the circle which indicates with rational numbers, and take another circle which indicated with irrational numbers. Notice that both are disjoint sets, so we should take the circles with separated circles. Okay, now take one rectangle which is real numbers. So this is the Venn diagram. Construct a Venn diagram for the given problem. See here, now take one circle and indicate with A. So A has the elements 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9, and take another circle indicated with B. B has elements 2, 4, 6, 8, and take the one rectangle. This is the universal set. Here notice that universal set U having an element 10 which is not included in the set A and B. So we will take that 10 outside of two sets A and B. So this is a required Venn diagram for the given problem. Now the next topic is operations on sets. Okay, let A and B any two sets. We define the following operations on these sets. First one, union. Union of two sets A and B is denoted by A union B, and it is defined as A union B is equals to X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to union of A and B is the set which consists of all elements of A and also all the elements of B if they have any common elements being taken only once. Here A is equal to 2, 4, 5, 6, 8 and B is equal to 1, 3, 5, 6. Now from the definition of A union B, A union B having the set of all elements of A and also elements of B. So 2, 4, 5, 6, 8 and also elements of B we have to write 1, 3. If they have any common elements and take only one time. Here common elements 5, 6 are common elements. So already we have taken 5, 6 here. So we need not to take again. So this is the A union B. Okay. Now how to draw the Venn diagram for A union B? See, for this example we have to draw the Venn diagram. See, take one Venn diagram like this. This is A, this is B. See, this is the common part for A and B. This is the only elements in A. This is the only elements in B. Okay. This total indicates with A union B. So for this problem, what are the common elements? 5, 6. So write the 5, 6 here. The only elements in A we have to write in this part. So the only elements in A are 2, 4, 8. So in this space only you have to write the only elements of B. So what are the only elements of B? 1, 3. So this is the Venn diagram for the A union B. See here, this is this total space indicates the A union B. Now intersection of two sets. Intersection of two sets A and B is denoted by A intersection B, and it is defined as A intersection B is equal to collection of all elements X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B, which means the elements which are belongs to both sets. Okay. Now come to the example. A is equal to 2, 4, 5, 6, 8 and B equals to 1, 3, 5, 6. Now what is the intersection of B? A intersection B. From the definition of A intersection B, the elements common in both A and B. What are the common elements in both A and B? 5, 6. So this is the intersection of two sets A and B, which means A intersection B is equal to 5, 6. Now how to show the Venn diagram? Now let Venn diagram A, this circle indicates the A, this circle indicates the B. This is the common part. This common part indicates the A intersection B. In our problem, five comma 6. This is the Venn diagram for A intersection B. The next one is difference of two sets. The difference of two sets is denoted by A minus B, and it is defined by A minus B is equals to set of elements X such that X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B, which means collection of all elements which are belongs to A but not in set B. Okay, now come to the example. A is equal to 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, B is equal to 1, 3, 5, now 6. Find the A minus B for this example. From the definition of A minus B, collection of all elements in collection of all elements which are belongs to A but not belongs to B. Okay, now the element 2 belongs to A but not belongs to B, so we will take 2. Similarly, 4 also belongs to A, not in B. But 5 is the belongs to the set A and also the belongs to the set B, so we should not take the 5. Similarly, 6 also. Now 8 is belongs to A only, not in B, so we should take 8 also. This is the set A minus B. Now how to draw the Venn diagram for this A minus B? Already previously I told you this space is indicated only elements in A. This is also A minus B. So here 2, 4, 8. This indicates A minus B. Similarly, this indicates B minus A. What is the B minus A here? B minus A means collection of all elements which are belongs to B but not in A. So here 1 belongs to B but not in A. 3 belongs to B but not in A, so 3. 5 belongs to B, also belongs to A, so we should not take the 5. 6 belongs to B and also belongs to A, so we should not take the 6. So B minus A is 1 comma 3. So this space indicates the B minus A, so this is the 1 comma 1 3. 1 3, this is the 1 3. What is the A intersection B here? A intersection B means the common elements. What are the common elements? 5 comma 6. This space indicates the A intersection B, so we will take 5 comma 6 here. So this is the way to draw the Venn diagrams. Now next one is symmetric difference. Symmetric difference of two sets is denoted by A delta B and is defined by A delta B is equals to A minus B union B minus A, or A union B minus A intersection B. Now for this example, find the symmetric difference of two sets. Okay, now find the first A minus B union B minus A. First find the A minus B. What is the definition of A minus B? A minus B means collection of all elements which are belongs to A which are not in B. So 2, 4, 8 is the A minus B. And what is the B minus A? B minus A. B minus A is 1. 1 is belongs to B but not in A. Similarly, 3 is belongs to B but not in A. but 5 is belongs to B and also belongs to the A, so we should not take. 6 also we should not take. So B minus A. Now from the definition of union, now find the A minus B union B minus A. By the definition of union, we can take 2, 4, 8, 1, 3. This is the symmetric difference of two sets. Now how can we draw the symmetric difference in Venn diagram? Take two elements, take two sets A, B. The symmetric difference of these two sets indicates this space. This space indicates the symmetric difference of the two sets, because this indicates the A minus B, this is B minus A. You club these two, that indicates the A delta B. This means this is A, this is me, A minus B, 2, 4, 8. This is the A minus B. This is the B minus A, 1, 1, 3. So this is the symmetric difference of two sets. Thank you everyone.